Hello friends, myself Gaurav and I welcome you to my channel, The One Page. Today we will learn how to propagate the ficus plant. Here are some of the cuttings. We have some of the cuttings here, as you can see. Just take it from the mother plant. You should take at least a brown cutting so that it can shoot fast. Just cut the leaf, cut from the top area. This is the method how to cut, and just take a sharp knife and just use this method as the green area will root faster. Do this to all the cuttings. We have to do this with all the cuttings so that the cuttings may root fast. This is the simple and easiest way to propagate the ficus plant. Cut the top area so that it does not have much stress on this stem, as we are having the root cutting. We have to grow from the roots from the cutting. So we have 4 over here. You can directly just cut over here. You can directly grow them in the pot, or I will teach you one method more. Just take a pot with a good drainage system, cover the lid with the cap over here so that the soil does not come out, and I will fill the pot and I will just tell you. So you can see the soil content. Soil content must be 50% sand and 50% soil, so that the roots may grow easily in the sand area. Soil will not allow roots to grow properly, so we have to mix the sand at least 50%. Now friends, one method is to directly place this 4 cutting in the pot and let it dry for 1 day, and then place the water, or you can directly pour the water any of the time. And the second method is that take all the cutting, combine them just like this and tie it with a thread. This method is used to get a better stem. As we can see, everything is combined, and just we have to place it in the center. If everything goes correctly, then we will get a big stem. You can see if all the 4 cuttings are together, then we have the fused stem. We will get the fused stem, and we will get a more thick stem with the shorter period. So friend, this is my technique. If you want to use, you can, or else grow separately, or else friend, you can grow separately, but this method is very nice method. You will get a good plant and a thick plant in a short period of the time. Otherwise this single stem will take a lot of time, and they will also take a lot of time to become a bonsai. If this all the 4 are tied together, then they will fuse automatically, as we have tied them with the span of the time. They will fused, they will mix together automatically, and you will get a thick branch over the time. So thank you friends. If you like the video, please share it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.